If your HP Officejet Pro 8710 printer is stuck showing as offline, you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common issues we hear about, and honestly, it's super frustrating when you're ready to print something and your printer just won't cooperate. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through 3 simple methods to get your HP Officejet Pro 8710 back online and printing again. Or if you need extra help along the way, just call the numbers displayed on your screen for one-on-one assistance. Otherwise, let's dive in. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Set printer as default printer. Go to your computer and click on the Start menu in the bottom left corner. Now, search for printers and scanners in the search box and click on Open when it appears in the results. Scroll down to find the option that says Let Windows manage my default printer and uncheck that box. This gives you manual control over your printer is your default. Next, scroll back up and find your HP Officejet Pro 8710 printer from the list of available printers. Once you find it, click on Manage to access more options for that printer. Finally, select the Set as Default option. This tells Windows that your HP Officejet Pro 8710 is the main printer and should be used for all the print jobs. If setting the printer as the default didn't work and it's still showing offline, don't worry, we've got another method to try. Let's update your printer driver, because sometimes an outdated driver is what's causing the offline issue. Method 2. Update printer driver via Device Manager. First, click on the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, look for and expand the Print Queues section by clicking on it. Now, find your HP Officejet Pro 8710 printer in the list. Once you find it, right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the Update Driver window that appears, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will now search online for the latest driver version for your printer and automatically download and install it for you. If your printer is still showing as offline after updating the driver, don't worry, we've got one more method that usually does the trick. Sometimes there are stuck print jobs in the queue that are preventing your printer from working properly. Method 3. Delete all print jobs. On your computer, look at the bottom right corner of the screen in the System tray, where you should see the printer icon. Go ahead and double-click on the printer icon to open the print queue. If you don't see the printer icon right away, click on the small arrow in the System tray to reveal hidden icons. A new window will open showing all your pending print jobs. Go ahead and right-click on each one. Select Cancel from the list of actions. This will remove those stuck jobs from the queue. When a confirmation box pops up asking if you're sure you want to cancel, click on Yes to confirm. Make sure to cancel each pending print job one by one until the queue is completely empty. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.